Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I want you to take a big breath before you start this. I'm just trying to teach you how to put structure into solving these equations because they can get complex and hard if we don't know how to undo things properly. So, you are going to look at two-step equations. Let's get started. Alright, go ahead and title this two-step equations, and your essential question is, how can you solve a two-step equation? How can you check the reasonableness of your answer? Okay, to solve two-step equations, to solve any equation, multi-step, two-step, whatever, any equation you ever get, okay, you have to use inverse operations to isolate the variable. Don't forget, okay, here is what a two-step equation has. An equation. There's a difference. Equations, first of all, let's put that in here. Equations always have, let me see if I can use my typer. Always have variables. That's those letters, remember letters. Variables. And an equal sign. Okay, so if you are missing one of those two things, you don't have an equation, okay? Always check if it says solve the equation that you have an equation. Okay, now that we clarified what equations were, my computer's freezing, so 1 second. There we go. Okay, let's talk about how we work equations properly. So yesterday I was talking about how you learn how to use the order of operations. Equations are undoing the order of operations. So there's an order we go in. First thing I want you guys to do is simplify the problem. Okay, these two, PC, SAD, me, simplifies the problem. So PC makes the problem easier. Easier problem, easy. Okay, and here's what the P stands for. The P stands for parentheses. Get rid of parentheses. The C stands for, and this is what we were talking about, identifying and combining like terms. Combine like terms. Like terms. All right. Now, the other ones are easy, but the thing that you need to remember is that we're using inverse operations. And then we're going to look, is there addition and subtraction in the problem? So subtraction, addition, and then we're going to look and see, is there division or multiplication in the problem? Division, multiplication, and then we're going to look and see if there's exponents. Remember, exponents are these numbers here, like the squared, okay? Exponents. All right, and you're going to take the opposite. Take opposite, which is called inverse. Do the inverse operation to isolate the variable. All right, now that I've given you a whole bunch of structure into how we are going to go through these problems and what it means, let's just go through examples and see how well we do, okay? Take a big breath. You guys got this, okay? Make sure you can hear. Make sure you're following along. I know you can do this. Alrighty. Example 1. I'm giving you the structure, the P, C, SAD, me, for a reason. Make sure you're using it to follow what order you need to go in. So, number 1, is there parentheses? No. Number 2, is there like terms? Okay. Yes, like term, okay? So I've identified them. I want to combine them on same side first. Same side. But they're not on the same side. Here's your side, so let me go ahead and drop down that line so we remember what our sides are, okay? So we're not going to worry about those two yet because they're not on the same side. Okay, is there subtraction or addition in our problem? Yes. Here's the addition. We first want to undo addition. So how do we undo addition? What's the inverse? Subtraction. Take away 12. Take away 12. Okay. Now we have 2x. 4 minus 12 is negative, don't forget that negative, I see a lot of mistakes with that, negative 8. Okay, we undid subtraction, addition, undo division, multiplication. Is there division or multiplication? Yes. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We undid the multiplication here. Don't forget that says multiply. X equals negative 4. Okay, number 2. Is there parentheses? No. Is there like terms on same side? No, there's like terms on opposites. Here's our like terms, and they're on opposites. Remember, these were what we were using our highlighters for. So we're going to go move on. Subtraction and addition. Okay, how do you undo addition, subtraction, inverse operations? Negative 16 minus 9 is negative 25. Okay, and we saw that negative 5c. Undo division, multiplication. Divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. Remember, this fraction bar says division. Don't forget that. Okay, c is negative divided by negative is positive 5. All right, 3. Problem number 3. Is there parentheses? Yes. To get rid of parentheses, distribute. Distribution. Okay. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. And positive times negative is negative. All right, we got rid of our parentheses. Yay. Like terms? Yes. On opposite sides, so we're not going to worry about it. Make sure you guys are drawing your sides on there, okay, and writing these problems down on your paper. All right, so how do we undo subtraction next? Addition. Add 12. Okay, 3x is left, 3x is left, and then 9 plus 12 is 21. Great. Now divide by 3 and do division, multiplication. Divide by 3, x equals 7. All right, check in. Let me know how you're doing. Stop me at this question right here. Let me know how you're doing. I want to make sure you guys are doing okay. All right. Let's move on to our next set of examples. We're going to move on to rational world now. Okay, meaning decimals and fractions. So brace yourself. Okay. Again, we're still using P, C, SAD, me to remember what to undo first. Our order of operations backwards, first making our problem easier. PC, parentheses. Nope. Like terms on same side. Nope. Okay. Undo subtraction and addition. We have addition, so take away 6. Take away 6. Then we have m divided by 2. M divided by 2. And then 10 minus 6. That says 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. Division, multiplication. Yes, we have division, don't forget. So we multiply by 2, multiply by 2. These undo each other, and now we'll have m equals 4 times 2 is 8. Alrighty, number 5. Write it down, write the problem down, drop the line. Okay, parentheses are like terms. No parentheses, like terms, but they're on opposite sides. So we're going to move on. Undo subtraction or addition. Take away 5. Take away 5. Okay. 9 minus 5 is 4. We still have this negative 3. Sorry, z divided by 3. Negative 3. Okay. Undo the division of 3 by multiplying by 3. Multiplying by 3. Okay. Now we'll have negative z, and I saw a lot of you guys forget this yesterday with that checkpoint, okay? Negative z equals 12. We don't want to have negative z, we want to have positive z. So we're going to flip the signs, and we're good to go, okay? Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive divided by negative is negative. There we go. There you go. All right, next one. write the problem down, drop down the sides. Okay, is there like parentheses? Is there parentheses? No. Like terms on opposite sides. Okay, so now we're going to move in to undoing. This technically says plus 2/5. So we're going to take away 2/5. Do inverse, take away 2/5. Ooh, they kept this one easy for us. How nice of them. Okay, we took this away. Now we have 4a negative 6/5 minus 2/5 is negative 8/5. Okay, I'm going to leave this improper for now. Okay, divide by 4 and do multiplication division. Divide by 4. Okay, now we'll have a equals negative 8 over 1 divided by 5 over 4. Copy dot flip. Negative 8 flip 4/5. Okay, and then multiply across. Multiply across. 8 times 4 is 20. Sorry, 8 times 4, I got distracted for a second. Sorry, is 32. So negative 32 divided by 5. A equals, there's negative, there's how many 5s go into 32? 6 with 2 that still need to be divided by 5. All right, let's go ahead and look at some decimal ones, one very briefly, so that you can get started on those on your own problems. Decimal ones, here we go. Oh, this one has a combining like terms. We've got to go over this one. Okay, PC sad me. All right, parentheses, no. Like terms, yes. Are any of them on the same side? Yes. So combine them. Negative 2y, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, finally we got a C. Okay, undo addition, subtraction. Take away 7, take away 7. Negative 2y, negative 9 minus 7 is negative 26. Divide by negative 2, undo multiplication division, divide by negative 2. Y equals a positive 113. Okay, example 8. Write the problem down. Okay, parentheses, no. Like terms, yes. On same side, yay. 7x minus 10x is negative 3x. Okay, addition or subtraction to undo? Nope. Division, multiplication to undo? Yes. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. X equals negative 5. All right. Decimals. Okay. Write the problem down. Drop down the line. Parentheses, no. Like terms, yes. On same side and everything. So, negative 1.3 minus 2.1. We know the answer is going to be negative, and m's going to tag along. So, 2.1 minus 1.3. 11 minus 3. 8. Carry down the decimal, so 0.8. Alrighty. Undo multiplication division because there's no addition or subtraction. So divide by 0.8, negative 0.8, divide by negative 0.8. Okay, negative 0.8. Here's what I see a lot of going on. Top dog goes in the house. 8 goes in the house. 0.8 goes outside. Move the decimal. Move the decimal. Add that 0. How many 8s are in 80? 10. M equals 10. All right, here are your on your own problems. Pause your video, try them, resume when you're ready to check. Thanks for pausing your video. Here's what you should have gotten. Go ahead and answer the essential question and take that checkpoint. I hope you guys are doing okay. We had a lot of examples, but you got this. Bye, guys.